Wow.
Recording.
Recording, it's good. What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Looking at the brand new TSX and trying to go through some maintenance and whatnot. We swapped some wheels, trying to see what tires are good and what we could salvage. Whatever we have, we're trying to use, because you know I have a bunch of TSX parts laying around. I was like moving things around, whatever, then I noticed this whole intake is split. I don't have one of those, so I got this pulled off, easy peasy, and then I'm gonna try to get the rest of the shebang out of there and keep it going. Damn, just crazy to see two TSXs, man. Two. Wow, look, YouTube magic. There. I just unbolted it just with the clap of my hands, man. Like, wow, that's wild. Where do you play that? Wow, that's wild. I never play that. That's crazy. Come. I had to bend this clutch line back up. Regardless of the fact I'm going to be changing out the clutch master cylinder, the slave, and I want to get the braided line or the steel line because I hate this hard line, man. Fucking stupid. So you guys see that transmission mount right there. The front motor mount right there is missing 2 bolts. So there's like things we gotta tune into. Get this thing on. What up, guys? What up? Back another day. It is Friday. Happy Friday. We happy. I'm gonna go into work early. Yeah, we started tearing away at the interior because the intake stuff and whatnot. I had to buy things and see if I could find maybe a stock intake tubing and just do that. I've been looking at part outs and just see if homie's got some stuff. I'm starting to tear away at some things, as you could tell. Couple things are already off. Started without you guys. I'm sorry, but I mean, you guys don't want to see all the processes. I'm just going to take off some things so I could really clean everywhere and get behind stuff. Happy Friday. We woke up today, right away got dressed and went and got this car registered. So, yay us.
Street legal.
Woo. So I had to take the plates off that TSX and put it on this TSX. Yeah. Look at this clutch pedal, man. Oh, it feels like complete shit crap, man. Like the brake pedal at the sensor, it doesn't even have like the stopper or anything, like the plastic piece or whatever is like just missing, so it's a hole. Pretty sure there's probably like a crack somewhere in the pedal, potentially. Yeah, the clutch master cylinder, the slave, all that feels like crap, but I'm probably gonna use the one from my car, put it in here. Since my car is gonna be sitting for a while, why not, you know, use it? And I have a new clutch master cylinder to use. I was gonna replace it anyway in that car, but it's gonna be sitting, now we have this, we gotta try to make it a daily, so try to use what we got, right? Thankfully, things are interchangeable. It's awesome. It's nice to have the two of the same cars.
Facts.
What is poppin', y'all? Let me just show you guys a little bit what we got going on at the moment. As you can tell, the rear seats are out. The pedal is undone, that's done. And I've been either contemplating on cutting some of the carpet or unbolting shit. And then somehow, you know, being able to like fold it outwards. And yeah, because I really want to get this carpet out and cleaned up, because under here, guys, it's bad. The sound deadening kind of padding or whatever right here, at first I thought it was mud, but like it turned into mud because of all the moisture and water that was just sitting there. To do everything proper, I have to pull the carpet, unfortunately. But I just have to do it properly, man. I gotta clean it nice and get it super good and get all the moisture out and mud, and it looks like it's oil, like oil got spilt on it, and I don't know. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. Whole lot of mess. Alright guys, what is up? A little bit of an update. You know, we were doing some things, took some breaks, now we're back doing some things. Everything is pulled apart from the carpet, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if there's like a tab still like under here that I gotta pull off. Yeah, the carpet's pretty much good to come out. I'm gonna take this side and fold it this way to take it out, because this side has more of the moisture and whatnot, and I'm not trying to make that kind of a mess. I did make slits in this because like you would have to fully pull out the shifter, still possibly make some relief cuts so you can like bend and fold it downwards from like underneath the dashboard area right here, because this is where it got like tight right here. It all gets hidden and it's just like literally like a slice, so it joins back together. I don't really care for this rug underneath the shifter, which I'm gonna end up pulling out anyway. Put on some gloves and start ripping this shit out. What we also did, we went to Walmart and got ourselves an extractor so we could really extract the grime, the dirt, the moisture out of here, and also bought a couple other things like just cleaners, moisture, mildew extractor, because shit has been sitting, so we're trying to make this thing proper, clean, and comfortable. Basically have the passenger side folded over this side at the moment, and I believe I'll be able to fold, pick up from the rear, and kind of pull out this way, and then I'll be completely out. I'll be able to clean up the sound deadening material in there, and I'm ordering some new ones so we could replace that, get everything proper. Yo, 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 what is poppin', y'all? Quick update. As you can tell, we got the extractor. We're extracting things with the extractor. This side, this is the driver's, horrible. It has taken a while. I haven't seen a whole lot of change, but it's going. I mean, look at this, dude. It is a bunch of sludge, mud. Look what's dripping out of it right now. It's pretty crazy. Working with what we got, ideally, like, it'd be nice to put in a different carpet. It's doing its job, it's sucking shit out. So I'm gonna do this, we're spraying with vinegar, like chemicals to like, you know, disinfect and kill shit and smells and all that fun stuff. So we're doing what we got to, but yeah, I just wanted to update you guys with what we got going on. It's a mess. Last night, we started using the vacuum extractor and had to come in here, vacuum out all this because we're going to be placing in new ones, and I just had to clean all this out. The theory was like somehow maybe like water got in here and it sat and this deteriorated because it's like some sort of waxing and it made it into like this, bro. Like you guys seen from the video, this shit is like a fucking paste. Like, let me not swear, that is like an oil paste. Like it's oil or transmission fluid or something. Like it was horrible. Yeah, we're gonna get to some cleaning, scraping. I'll take this off real quick and get around everything. So, yeah, obviously you could tell some of this is still like, you know, moisturized on the rear as well. This one in the front is mainly like goop, but some areas seem a little hard to get, like right here. It gets a little like tougher, like it's still sticky and whatnot. So, yeah, I don't know, I might have to work it and then do the dry ice thing, the method people do. Some of the areas like come up pretty good. This is kind of satisfying. Oh, also, Amazon just came. We ordered it last night. We got new sound deadening for the floor and wherever else we decide to put it. That already came. Probably going to need more, but regardless, some already came so we could get the process going whenever, you know, we get this off and things cleaned up and whatnot. As you guys could tell, pretty far in now. We're just kind of wiping down every last thing, giving the final wipe downs. Well, this isn't the final one. This is like the final one before the final one, you know? I'm using this glass cleaner. A lot of auto body people use it. I see it recommended in a lot of videos, and I don't know, it works good for me too, so I'm using it. Alrighty guys, let me show you where we're at. I don't know if it's the proper way, but this base metal stuff, I couldn't seem to find the right material to coat it. So I just gave it a little with some clear coat. I don't know if it's gonna be proper or hold or whatever, protect it. I just thought of something about sealing. Regardless of the fact, fucking whatever, that's gonna be hidden. But as you could tell, things are clean. So this side is pretty clean. That side, I haven't removed that material. I'm probably gonna go get dry ice. This took a lot of work, a lot of effort, man. But we got it nice and clean and coated-ish. Next up is putting in the material. I'll show you guys that material in a sec. And yeah, just adding new sound deadening stuff and keep it, you know, keep it going. Show y'all right quick. So this is the roller for the material that I just bought. I got it off Amazon. It was like 60 bucks or something like that. It's not as thick as the OEM, but who knows, maybe I could double stack it. Should be a good amount. It should be good enough for both sides. Hope so, but we'll see. We got some very cool dry ice right here. So I'm gonna be doing this method on the other side because it isn't all moist, so. I'm hoping this is enough. You hear it crackling? Mm-hmm. Look at that. That dry ice method is working out wonderful. Yeah, this method is so nice.
Eventually.
Recording.
Recording. It's good. What is going on, guys? Yeah, it is the next day. As you could tell, the aftermath of it all being cleaned up and scrubbed down. I'm gonna give it one more wipe down with the spray away glass cleaner because that's used as like almost like an alcohol pre-prep. So I'm gonna use that, give it one more wipe down, put that plastic back in, start adding these mattings. Yeah, hopefully the video from last night, because we were doing things kind of a little later last night, it was dope, cool dry ice vibes, and that was a cool experience. It was hella satisfying and a lot easier than this side. 70-ish% came out like just from like scraping and vacuuming because already like mush from the moisture, but then the other half that was still adhesing, that shit sucked. Enough talking, let's get to a wipe down and then start applying this shit.
Hell to the motherfucking yeah.
So I'm getting the first layer of the sound deadening on. We got this little roller we bought separately, and then we got the matting right here. So I just wanted to show you like the first one we're doing. And then I'm gonna just carry on and do this and then show you guys some progress. Right here, I'm probably gonna have to get one, cut it to fit, etc, etc, and then just keep moving on. Keep laying this stuff. Like I showed you guys before, 80 mil, 36 square feet sound deadening mat, part number. What is up, y'all? That's gonna be it for this video. As you guys can tell right here, we finished the sound deadening on the floor. You know, some areas could have been like a little bit better or whatever, but nonetheless, it came out pretty good. It was a pretty cool process and experience, and just knowing that I'm touching everything, putting my details and effort into it, and making sure things are clean and thorough. Right now, I'm just scrubbing down the center console, making sure all the little dust and specks are cleaned up and everything's, you know, it's touch. I'm pretty curious on how this will work, if it's gonna be good sound deadening like material, better than the OEM crap, or what. Still contemplating with the carpet wise. If anyone in Florida has a 04 to 08 Tsx carpet, floor carpet mat, please hit me up. Ideally in black. Tan will work too, but I could, you know, I could probably dye it. But yeah, let me show you guys over here the condition real quick. You guys see that, man? Like, we've been vacuuming, bought the extractor, we've been doing that. Hella dirty, and it's still going. We're putting in a lot of effort, and it's just not fully cleaning up. So yeah, let me know if you guys have one, please, or I'm just gonna have to rock it without one for a little bit, or try to take off this material and put on some new kind of foam or some shit, DIY some things. I don't know. Let me know, man. Let me know. Guess what, guys? We still never take a day off.
Work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.